Hello, I'm Mr. Sanchez. I'm the physics teacher at North, and I'm going to let you know about some of the other physics classes that we offer. This time we're going to take a look at AP Physics 1, and then after it, AP Physics 2. Now this is our new sequence that has been developed by the College Board for advanced placement, basically a university level physics class that you can take here at high school. Now the requirements are going to be a bit higher. There's a much higher workload and expectation. I'll also be asking much more difficult questions. Now the first in that sequence is usually AP Physics 1. Now AP Physics 1 covers what we call mechanics, Newtonian mechanics to be precise. And so that includes things like objects in motion, forces, energy, momentum, mechanical waves, and we'll do a little bit with charged particles and basic electric circuits. Now AP Physics 1 is a wonderful introductory class. You can also use it your junior year, which is actually kind of recommended, junior year, so that you can have the background you need to go into AP Physics 2, which is the second part of that course that actually covers some of the more exotic stuff in physics like thermodynamics and fluid mechanics, magnetism, modern physics, that sort of thing. Junior year is a good option for AP Physics 1 so that you can take either AP Physics 2 your senior year, or you could transition to one of the other ones that is going to be in a related video for APC, our calculus-based physics, which I'll introduce then. But you can also take this your senior year, and it works pretty well as a standalone class too, to give you a good, solid introduction to physics itself. Now the AP classes, while AP Physics 1 deals with mechanics, AP Physics 2 has all of the extra neat stuff. Not to say that mechanics is boring, in fact it's actually my favorite, but we have thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, we have optics and modern over here. The nice thing about these are, at the end of AP Physics 1, you have the option of taking an AP exam, which can, if you do well enough, possibly get you credit for the equivalent college level physics class. AP Physics 1 will get you out of the first semester of what's called Physics for Life Science majors, or at least that's the term that I'm most used to. And 2, if you do well on that, that gets you out of the second semester of Physics for Life Science majors. In other words, if you do well in both of these, you can actually conceivably not have to take physics as an introductory class at all. You'll have credit for it already. Now these are algebra-based, and as such, they're a great option if you are planning to go into the biosciences, like biology or biochemistry is also included in there. And I think actually chemistry itself is included in there as well. And it's also good for anyone who's looking to go into medicine, because pre-med will also require Physics for Life Science majors. So if you're thinking of going that route, AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2 would be good ones for you to take a look at. If you're thinking of going into engineering, I'll go ahead and let you know, AP Physics 1 can be a great introductory class your junior year, and then take APC, the calculus-based one, your senior year. But we'll talk about that in the other video for APC. The final thing that I'd recommend is the math that you probably want is going to be algebra. That one's going to be pretty important. The more familiar you are with algebra, the better. You're also probably going to want to know a decent amount about trigonometry. You're going to have to deal with something called vectors in physics. And for that, you'll have to solve a lot of triangles. I'm getting better at drawing triangles. So we'll be using things like sine, cosine, tangent. You'll also want an understanding of those for something called simple harmonic motion, which is something that is also included in AP Physics 1, and the same type of stuff will carry over in AP Physics 2. Again, AP Physics 1 you would want to take before AP Physics 2. In fact, AP Physics 2 would only be available for students that have had an introductory physics class, because it's built off of expecting that you can hit the ground running. Junior year or senior year are great times to take AP Physics 1. It all depends on what your plan is and what you want to do with it. And for both of them, you can get college credit that can save you some extra classes, not to mention some money. So, that's what we've got for AP Physics 1 and 2.